Good morning, Year 6. This is Monday the 18th of January's spelling lesson. So your spellings this week, we are going to be looking first of all at what pattern they have, and then you guys are going to do a quick missing words activity. Now, before we start, we're going to introduce something new to our spelling lessons, which we do in class sometimes, but we haven't done for a while, something called Quick Spell. So you will see on your Word document, there will be an option for you to write these spellings in. Okay, so the idea behind it is these are words that you have done in Year 6, you've had for your spelling test throughout the year, and it's just to keep going over them to keep them fresh in your brain. Okay, so each day I'll give you 3 different spellings. Okay, and you've got to try and spell them as best as you can. If you get them right and you get 3 out of 3, there'll be house points for grabs. Okay, so the first word is prejudice. I hope they will investigate the case without prejudice. The first word is prejudice. Okay, the second word is muscle. I hurt my leg muscle trying to do a burpee last night. The word is muscle. And number 3, the word is available. I went to the shop to get some lines and there were none available. The word is available. Now, hopefully you've got all 3 of those words. If not, you can go back and listen to it again, okay? So, your spellings this week all contain the prefix over, okay, which means too much. So, I want you to have a think now, how many different words can you think of that have the prefix over? Pause this video, write down as many different words as you can think of that have the prefix over at the beginning of them. Okay, hopefully you've come up with lots of different words, and I'm going to show you the ones that you've got for your spellings this week, okay? So you've got overbalance, overthrow, overturned, overcoat, overslept, overcook, overpaid, overreact, overtired, and overlooked, okay? Now remember, over means, going back, too much. So if you're overtired, you've had too much sleep, okay? Now your activity for today is you are going to be given 10 different sentences and the spelling word is missing from them. So you've got to read the sentence and see if you can identify the correct spelling that is missing, okay? So for example, the student doctor who worked long and tiring hours had something and was now late for his shift. Now, the way I'd work this out, I'd be like, right, well, they're talking about tire, so they've got overtired, does that fit in? The student doctor who worked long and tiring hours had overtired and was now late for his shift. No, that doesn't quite fit, but again, they're talking about tiring. What else do we do when we're tired? Oh, we sleep. The student doctor who worked long and tiring hours had overslept and was now late for his shift. Now that makes sense, okay? So you would type in your answer, you've got a table, so next to your spelling sentence, there'll be a space where you can type your answer or write your answer if you are doing it in your book, okay? You don't need to write the sentences out if you are doing it in your book, just write the answers in order that they should go in, okay?